Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to remove background on Snapseed. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So Snapseed is an editing software if you want to move to background, and there is not a really good way of doing this, but it's still possible. You want to get your picture like this and then go to tools, now go to brush. You want to use the dots and one burn brush, and you want to enable the I can see it's now getting blue and gray. You want to make sure it's blue. Now we just brush at the end till it turns red. So you want to make everything else red around the phone. That's what I am going as well. You can probably see it. You want to do it like that all around the phone or around the object you have. So make sure it is like that. Now what you want to do, you want to make a screenshot. As you can see, now we want to go to a website called remove.biz. I'm going to upload a picture right now. Then I am going to upload my picture here, and then it's going to remove the background, and there we go. We can download and we can save the file, and we can download it, the file, open it, and as you can see now we have removed the background. So this is the way how you can remove background on Snapchat. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.